Okay, today I want to demonstrate the Google Voice issues, how to make an outbound call. I'm looking for Google Voice that will expire within the next 30 days and make an outbound call so it won't expire within 30 days. So here I see that there's nothing there. I'm going to the next message and I put in the message expire in 30 days and I search for it. Just will expire in 30 days. That's all I need. So here it is, a message from October 22nd. Today is November 12th. So let's look at this message, and then I copy it from my email client to my notepad and segregate it with open and close braces. Occasionally my mouse stops working, and then I take out the USB and reconnect it to restore the mouse capability, hoping that it will start working. Sometimes it has some issues with the mouse, but doesn't seem to be working now. I don't know why. Let me try another port. Maybe that will make a difference of some kind. Sometimes maybe I have to wait some time. Yeah. Here it came back. So I want to start with open brace, paste the message, edit, paste, and then a few couple of blanks and close the message. At this point, I want to delete the message, knowing that I'm going to take care of it, and trying to log into this account. So I copy the account to my clipboard buffer, and I'm going to try to use another browser to see if I can log into this account, starting from Gmail. And then I want to change it from the current account to the account that I'm interested in. So I'm adding another account, then use another account and paste the other account. Here it is. So next, next. I don't know which number they want. You send it. Let's see what I got in my phone. Close all applications. Maybe some message. No. Okay. Let's see if I can try another method. Patient code. So let's see if I can use the phone number. Maybe that will work. code at Monaco extended rate supply. Quote the number. Let's see if that will work. Okay. That security code that happened to the phone. Yes. Tap. Yes, on the phone or tablet. Tap yes on your phone or tablet. What phone or tablet? No. So they didn't work out well. So let's move to the next one. Maybe another one will work well. Okay, so let's go back and take the next one on. 30 days. Let's go back. 3 days. We'll put in a question mark here. A couple of them indicating that we can get in this one. Will expire in 30 days and try to take another one. This one. Training. Let's paste. Let's paste this and see if this one will work. Training, okay. Next. Next. Okay, so let's go back and copy it. I'll segregate this one with a greater than sign at the beginning. Less than sign the beginning and greater than sign later. So now that I'm in it, okay, let's see if they changed my account, which they didn't. So I'm copying it to the clipboard buffer. Now I want to record it also in Pissar. This is problem step recorder, so let me turn on Pissar. Check the number of screens. Start with a new recording. Oops. Do not. Okay, I want to save this recording, so I'm going to take the prefix here, copy to the clipboard buffer. Forgot that I didn't save it last time. So I want to save it, yes. Take the previous one. Copy over the topic of today. Should really copy also the file name. Well, I'm going to go back to my notes. Take the entire string. Your Google Voice will expire in 30 days. Paste. And the time should say not, will not expire in 30 days. Not expire in 30 days. And this is 11/2/302. So 11/2. 3:02 p.m. Started at, let's say, 3 p.m. The current time now is 3:02 p.m. 3:02 p.m. Okay, and that will go to the Pixar folder. PM. Correct it a little. Okay. Copy the path of Pixar.exe, which is one step recorder. Copy the entire string. Save. And then paste it in my notes. Edit. Edit and paste. Return. Make it a little wider too. I'm in my Gmail account. Got a lot of junk mail in here. Google settings, security alert. I want to delete all the messages. Delete. Then I want to log into voice. Voice. I'm going to make an outbound call.
Hello, this is Annie. We can chat about your day, or I can help you learn new things. You can access this service and video call me by subscribing with this number on callannie.ai. Talk to you soon.
And I'm going to form the file name with the phone number and the message right after the @ sign. Paste. Will not expire. This is my message. Since I'm making an outbound call, it will not expire. And then I want to add to save it in the Google Voice subfolder first. Paste. Now copy to the clipboard buffer. File, save as. Paste. Now that I saved it there, I can go back to my cloud and try to upload it to the cloud of the Google Drive. I'm going to go to the Google Drive, plus folder upload, paste the folder name as Google Voice and delete the remainder, and enter. Then I hit enter again. I'm choosing Chrome, no thanks. Just doesn't respond to the no thanks. So I'm going to click upload and keep both and upload. Now to 86, I want to put the number 286 right here so I know that there are 286 files. File save. Well, next thing I want to do is I want to save it in its own file. That will be file, save as. It should be under the document folder. Let's expand document folder. And I can also scroll on the right to see if I can find that document that starts from it is training. So I'm looking for the letter I, H-I. It is trainee right here. And then grab this URL, copy to the clipboard buffer, and insert it at the beginning, paste with a backslash. So I finished this one, copy to the clipboard buffer, save, and now I'm basically done. So I want to paste it here, my notes, and look at the number of, scroll down to see Google Voice. Let's expand it completely. I don't see that I saved it to 86, but it didn't upload the last one. So let's try again. Plus folder upload, paste the folder name, remove everything else, so delete, and enter, and enter, and enter, and it didn't work. So I have to do it all over again. New folder, paste the folder name, remove extra characters, enter, enter, enter. It doesn't work, so I have to use the mouse. Upload, and upload, and keep both, and upload, and that works fine. So I want to go back to the account to see that I deleted all of it. Yes, and then go back to the inbox. Say it will expire in 30. Expire in 30. Mark it. Oh, it's extra space. Maybe that's the problem. No. Will expire. Oh, wrong email. Will expire in 30. I need to be in there. This this yeah when expiring 30. Okay, so it is training. Finish with that. I want to delete that, and then I want to take on the next one. Iron 30. The next one will be USA blockchain. So we'll open this, I'll copy to the clipboard buffer, and then to my notes. Paste it at the top, segregated by open and close parentheses. So that will be the next item to deal with. In the meantime, I'd like to document what I've done so far. So I will take that file name, not expiring 30, copy, and edit as a comment to Pixar. And then I'll try to save it in Pixar. Save. Take the previous one and overwrite it with the new one. Will not expire in 30. Okay. That will be version B. And the time now is 3:13. This is 13, 10 minutes later, 13. I want to store it in pixar.exe. Copy and save. And let's review additional details to see that this was 162 steps. As I start a new recording, I add a comment in the previous recording. Now I'm going to paste the new file name, edit, paste in my notes. File, save. And now I want to go and log into the new file, USA Black Hain. Let's see if that works. Copy. So I want to go to the last instance here, and I want to switch to another account, and then another account, paste the new account, select the new account, next, next, I want to mark all of them and delete all of them. Then I want to go to voice. And in voice, I want to make an outbound call to Kalani.
Hello, this is Annie. We can chat about your day, or I can help you learn new things. You can access this service and video call me by subscribing with this number on callannie.ai. Talk to you soon.
I want to mark it with an open parentheses before the USA, and another one after the USA, and then copy the number and edit it to say that it will not expire. Then I want to prefix it with a Google Voice. And then I want to save it in Google Voice. Save it. Now I want to go to Drive and upload it to Drive. Upload it to Drive. No. Folder upload. Just keep the Google Voice subfolder and delete the other irrelevant information. Then hit Enter. Then hit Enter another time. Then click Upload. Then click Keep Both and Upload. And the result is 287. So I can type the number 287 and a couple of enters. And I would like to save it on a local file. Save as. Expand document to see if I can find the open parenthesis you say black hen. So I'm going to go up to U. Here's W. And U will be before that. Here's USA. USA. Black hen. Grab the path, copy to the clipboard buffer, then insert it at the beginning. Control V and backslash. Will not expire. Black. What's going on? Copy, save. No, I didn't work. Let's see if I got it. Hold it on. Let's try it one more time. That is the folder name. Delete. Remain just with the folder name. Upload. Keep both. Upload. Okay, 0 of 3. Now it works. So this will be 3. Now I would like to save it. Paste it as a comment in SAR first. Okay, and then stop the SAR and save the SAR. Save. This will be version C. Version C. The time now is 3:20. Turn on subscribe so I can see what is going on. 30 days. Don't need to stick the G in there. now. 115 steps as I start a new step. And this other file in here. Paste. And file save. I want to add also folder upload. Paste the folder name. Upload it. Does not exist. What happened? I don't know. Something doesn't look right. Let's see what happened to this. Copy. Should have copied all this file. I don't know what happened to that. Date modified. Let's see what is the difference of copy. Copy. Let's save as. Now, maybe it's a little smaller. Flash, folder upload, paste, upload. Let's center this to first. Paste. Let's go just to this folder and see what happens. Go to that folder. And open this way. In the folder. So it also have not sure anything. documents. I can try to save it in another folder. Save it in this folder. No, that works. So, I'll save. Okay. I want to delete this one. Take on the next one. Well, before I do that, I want to add another video recording to this, which will be the loom recording. So I can time it more specifically. Start loom. The loom doesn't start so quickly. It's so slow you can die. This I'm completing will expire. Mm-hmm. 30, 30, 30, 30. And this is local from take the vlog, crawl web, copy to the clipboard buffer, and into my notepad, segregated by, let's say, open brace, and then close brace, and the file that I want, the account is log, crawl web, local web. I'll try to log into that account. So I want to go back settings for the account of that. Leave that too. Okay, now I want to switch to local web. Let's see what that does. With another account. Another account. Paste. Next. Okay. First number. Microsoft account. Got it. First number. Very good. I want to select all of these and delete them. Then I want to go into voice. Make an outbound call to Kalani.
Hello, this is Annie. We can chat about your day, or I can help you learn new things. You can access this service and video call me by subscribing with this number on callannie.ai. Talk to you soon.
So now I want to mark it with an open parenthesis at the beginning before V and a close one after local web. Then put in the message. Will not expire. Will not expire. Not expire. Then put the prefix of Google Voice. From copying the prefix of Google Voice from below and insert it to the current position. Paste it in the entire string. Copy to the clipboard buffer and file. Save as. Paste. Save the new file in the Google Voice subfolder. And then go to the drive and add it to the drive. So the no sense is correct. So folder upload, paste the folder, same folder. The Google Voice folder, delete the remainder that is irrelevant. And click enter. Then click upload for another enter. Then click upload. Keep both. Then upload 288 and then put the number 288 underneath 288. Enter. Now that I've done that, I want to repeat it. Save it in its own folder file. Save as. Open the document subfolder and scroll to open parentheses below. So up to open parentheses, then I want to go to TUV below. Here it is. takes longer because what's the difference between these two photos? It looks identical to mine. See, but in one of them doesn't really matter. 8/16/23. This one is much more recent. So use the more recent one. Backslash. Not expired. Copy. Save. I don't find it. One upload completed. What about the second upload? Let's try to upload, folder upload. Yes. And to upload the folder, live go web. Hello. Hello. Okay. Upload. Hello.
Hi, Avi.
Hi.
I'm in Whole Foods,
Okay.
and they have a sale on the that tea tree that I got you before. Do you need any more of that? With the brush, it was tea tree oil, and it came with a little brush.
Yeah, I don't need any more. I've got
Okay.
enough
And
of
then
them for now. But
okay.
if they have a sale, you can buy one of them, and I can pour the whole bottle into my shoebox.
Okay. Now they have another one. It's a new one. It's called Neem. Neem seed oil, and it's like droplets. You want me to get that one? I don't know. Code name Yoali Kafa Huntalish. So the woman said that it's hard to get rid of here. And we should do it in morning and evening, so maybe you can get rid of it or not bother. It's $8. It's a little bottle. It's 1 fluid ounce.
Get the knee, so I'll have that too. Who knows?
Who knows? Okay, I'm gonna take it.
Yeah, I have to go to the restroom, sir.
Okay, bye. I'm getting that. Okay.
Fine. So keep shopping and walk around and see what's going on. I'm working on the Google Voice.
Okay. Bye.
Bye.